Okay, before you call the CIA to interrogate why divorce support is a trap, here is your answer. Being a trap is good because they are Japan's honest imports.
Bruh.
This is why digital artists live longer than traditional artists. Stuff like this. And no, it's way worse than you thought. Because erasing a small mistake like this can put your sanity into life support and will make your drawings look like your dog ate your homework. In some cases, it is also one of the reasons why these two pieces legally sign a divorce, and sometimes it leaves a permanent smudge like a happy little accident as a souvenir. And because traditional art lacks the undo button, there is no way you can reload to the previous save game data to rectify the crime you did. So, suffer.
Bruh.
Step 1. Start a new canvas. Step 2. Stare on the canvas for a few seconds to a few minutes.
Later.
Step 3. Congratulations, you achieved the new Xbox achievement, Art Block.
Bruh.
Sarcasm aside, this art will definitely sell great in the next episode of Storage Wars. And by selling great means you will get a 69% cut after taxes by default, which is worse than your current commission prices and affiliate marketing earnings combined. That's a report.
Bruh.
Fun fact, artists have their own kind of divorce. And this artist problem explains an artist's alimony-free way out from a very bad marriage. It's like the personification of reacting to your 7-year-old chuny self. In case you have no idea what this anime is, I can only say that you share the same zip code with the uncultured normies.
Bruh.
Normies aside, if you're trying to look at the SCP you did years ago, remember that arson is the only possible nirvana way out. This mathematical equation is actually true, and at the same time, ironic.
Bruh.
The good news, however, is that Kamisama allegedly made things easier for talented artists. So expect yourself to be the new Kim Jong-gi within several years. But fortunately, that's fake news because the real and bad news is this. God gave humanity's ability to turn their expectations into reality. Facts, no printer. Moral of this video, talent does not equate to skill. Unfortunately.
Bruh.